হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলে সবাইকে সুস্বাগতম। বর্তমান সময়ে পরীক্ষা একটি চ্যালেঞ্জের বিষয়, তাই বিভিন্ন ধরনের পরীক্ষা যেমন নেট, সেট, পিএসসি, ডাব্লিউবিসিএস, এসএসসির মতো পরীক্ষা ক্র্যাক করতে এই ধরনের ভিডিও অবশ্যই দেখতে হবে। তাই চলুন দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক।
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।
Hello friends, today we know about AD candle. AD candle is a short form. Augustine Pyramus or Pyramid D. Candle was a Swiss botanist. Here, botany also called plant science, plant biology or phytology. The term botany comes from the American Greek word botamt, meaning pasture, grass or fodder. Botamt is in term derived from boscain, to feed or to graze. So here we know about the short note of AD Candle and his full form of his name, and here we know about the term botany, and we know about the source where the term was come from, and we know about it. That means in the second para the term botany comes from the ancient Greek words and his meaning. Botany means, according to ancient Greek words, pasture, grass or fodder. And the last white portions in two bullets. First bullet is the plant classification proposed by him in 1874. It's the importance points. The plant classifications. Who proposed the plant classification? The plant classifications proposed by him, that means AD Candle, 1874. And the second bullet, principle of nature's war. Here we know about 2 points, the plant's classification and nature's words. These two terms are so important for various exams, that means NET, SET, PS, SSC, WBCS, etc. So we remember it deeply that AD Candle proposed the plant classification in the year 1874, and the principle of nature's words come from him. If you think some missing here, then pause the video and read it or read again. Next, about AD candles. So we remember that the previous persons born 4th February 1778, Geneva, Republic of Geneva. That means in Geneva he was born in 4th February 1778 and died 9th September 1841 when he was old 63 in Geneva, Switzerland. Nationality Geneva. Then Swiss 1815. Firstly he was Genevanian and secondly Swiss. Others names Augustine Pyramus D. Candle. He was known for his system of taxonomy and principle of nature's war, which influenced Charles Darwin and the principle of natural selection. So here is so much importance, and we read again. Known for system of taxonomy, principle of nature's work, which influenced Charles Darwin, and the principle of natural selections. Awards: Royal Medal 1833, and his fields botany, agronomy, and phytogeography. So botany, agronomy, and phytogeography is the field of A.D. Kendall. If you miss some points, then rewatch this video. Thank you for watching my video.
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।